This is the main body, right? This is a winder paper roll. The winder pull two pieces. The winder motor side, the other side. This is a power cord line. This is a backup package. If anything broken, can replace the spare parts. This is a waste powder box. This is holder for winder. So we see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. We unscrew them. And we have two holders. There is R, right? R. This is L, means left. R means right. Okay. When we face the shaker, this is right side, left side, right? So we take the right side holder here. Okay. 4 holes. 4 holes. Screw them. So after we screw like this, right? It's the same for the left side. Use the left board, okay? So left side, same as right side, okay? And now we can see the winder. This is marked left and right, right? We take out the 2 poles, right? Unscrew it. It's same. This is same. Okay, if we screw tight, left side same, right? I take out the paper roll to fix on the roller. Okay. This right side. We take another metal pole here, go through. Like this, make it tight. You see here, it's open. Okay. Like this, okay? So another screw here. Okay. Right side fixed. And left side same. So the winder is assembled, finished. Here's the power line, right? Here, winding power in. So we open it, we plug it here, right? This is a power cord right here, alright? We also have this one, small, how to say, pieces metal to block the powder, not with too much. We put the small piece like this, okay, 2 sides. This is a waste powder tank. So under the machine, okay.